Hey, this is Jordan with Hot Rod Brothers Customs. We reached out to K&N to try one of their throttle control modules. So we're going to install it on a 2015 F-150. It has an external button that you can use in case you don't have your phone. And it has two connectors. One's going to plug into your accelerator pedal, and then this one's going to connect to the factory plug. So we're going to connect all this together and see how it works. We got the accelerator pedal and the new connector plugged in. So now we got the module here. We're going to plug into this big connector with the purple clip. And then we got this little small clip right here that this button's going to clip to, like that. So you can change the modes either from your phone or with the button. So now we're going to tie all this up and we'll see how she goes. So we have stock, which is going to be your stock throttle. Eco, help with gas mileage. Sport, give you a little bit more oomph. Performance. Track, and then valet to prevent the throttle from going too fast.
Hey guys, this is Evan with HRB Customs, and I just wanted to give you all an update on how the K&N throttle control module is going. So we've had it in for just over a month now, and I kind of wanted to get a feel for it, and it's awesome. I usually leave it in eco mode just to get a little bit better gas mileage. I know that's an issue for a lot of people with these big heavy trucks is gas mileage. So eco mode actually allows me to get maybe 20 to 30 extra miles out of a tank, which is great because that's almost 2 gallons of gas saved for these big trucks because they don't get great gas mileage in the first place. But we'll test it out in eco mode, and then I'll go all the way to track mode, and you can kind of see what the difference is. So I know it was probably pretty hard to tell through the video how much of a difference this thing makes, but it's a huge difference in terms of the throttle response. Even just going between the different small steps of modes, I believe there's 5 total modes other than stock, and they're all great. The eco mode's great for smooth acceleration, and track mode is just balls to the wall all the time. So it's a really fun module, and it's a great addition to any vehicle. We also want to give a shout out to K&N and thank them for sending us this module and letting us test it out. If you're interested in getting one of these from K&N, there'll be a link in the description, and we'd love to hook you up with one. Thanks.